want to do you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Whoa. Kerrion Collins from Grants Mountain in Jamaica. Attack. Kerrion Collins from Grants Mountain in Jamaica. Good morning. Well, my viewers and my subscribers, right now, Zine, not joking about it. You don't know, say NEWLINK, you know. We love the little kids, them, you know. Because the kids are the future of tomorrow. You get me? And that's why NEWLINK's a back to school treat for the kids, them year to year on a daily basis. Oh my, yearly basis, not daily NEWLINK, come to you. Well, people, here I go now. This girl I know, because some family reach out to NEWLINK, you know, devastated. A sickly mother right now, people. You understand? And this mother say she have a daughter, big daughter, who goes by the name of Kerrion Collins from Grants Mountain. And she said this daughter now, people, a dance go-go, right? Down in a Senton, from Runaway Bay to H3R side, back and forth, sometimes then a Chilani, Mobile. You understand? Pan the North Coast side. But she said this daughter, what she have, people, have 5 children, right? 4 of the children are with their fathers because this mother not do nothing. She just interested in the go-go thing and I go and do her thing all about on the place. She said how much months now she don't hear from this girl. This girl not visit her, go look for her because she, one of the Pickney is with her mother. You understand? And the mother is we feel go through the stress and the problem now. So it's a concerned resident now who say what go on at the place, reach out to NEWLINK and say NEWLINK, this is what really go on. You understand? And the mother now of this little girl and now, people, the mother of the girl, you understand, who have the go something, I go through a lot because them say she's sickly and only hustling she have is when she can go in at the market at Coronate and go sell little things. But now nothing really go on. Nothing go on, you know, the people. You understand? Everything rough, everything tough, everything turn up, you know. You get me? And they can't see this girl. Kerrion Collins, when you so cruel and wicked, go look for your Pickney. Even the other 4 daddy them say, you know, look for your Pickney, them you know call or nothing, they pick them marks so their mother they then can't see you. And you did they fling it this and a fling it this and a fling it around this and a fling it. If you can't in the same way, you know what them are going to do? A fling them are going to fling in one body, your body up the side, you know. You understand? Because you need to stop. You need to stop me now. Stop it from the way you're there dancing or anything. But take care of you. Because most of the time, people, me know people who in the street, when me have friends who in the street who hustle too. You understand? Because me tell us, I don't discriminate them. You get me? And we talk and they say, no, why we are there. Sometimes me reason and try to do a little story with them. You understand? Because you don't know. NEWLINK do it when you're in the street. And then say, no, me I do this. I become a youth, them me have to take care. You understand? I become a Pickney them and then daddy now take care of them and pick them. But it's a shame now if you see one of the women them who in the street do it. You get me I say, and this is how I go on. You go, you make money. Because every time you maybe go down low, you understand, and go through one banana, you get money. Every time maybe you take something there so you get money. Every time you go up on the stage and go jump on the pole, you get money. Every time you come to boom and give a lap, you get money. You understand, people? So come on, Kerrion Collins, man. Your mother need to see you in a Grants Mountain. The time we done a runaway be from this, a fling it go watch it, fling it go St. Mary, fling it back down the other side and fling it. Go fling it to your Pickney. It's quarantine now, nothing now go on. Mommy say it things tough pan her, things rough pan her. You understand? She need you, Kerrion Collins. She need you. No joke thing. She do needs you. So in the end, people, me can say it's just a shame and it don't look good. It definitely don't look good. You know what I mean? People must take care of them. The mother do stand a responsibility to as well. If do maybe father shoot himself, children do need their mother. And when NEWLINK see this, me feel it, people. You get me? Because at the end, you know, when the person reach out to me, someone say, warm to the father, them say NEWLINK, we have be honest to you. 4 the daddy because one of these kids little kids and our daddy die. You understand? I said the other 4 NEWLINK, then daddy, but it's just this one, you know, who she left on the poor mother, and this is a young one, people. And a big Pickney left in a young Pickney who need good food and nutrients and supplements in the body. But Kerrion Collins feel say all she can do is fling it there, so. Fling it here, so. Fling it around, so. And not fling it on the Pickney. Go look for your Pickney. Go look for your Pickney. NEWLINK production, I tell you that. Attack. And anyhow, me get no more info so you not do it. then I'm gonna get my people them to find you personally and do my personal information background check and deal with it differently. I'm gonna send the right authorities to you because you don't know NEWLINK do it. We have it in the street. Lock. Okay, because NEWLINK's in the street, you know. I mean, attack authorities like police or nothing. I'm dealing with private investigators. So, go look for your Pickney. I mean, know the family are going to reach out to NEWLINK and say, NEWLINK, Kerry and Collins, go look for your Pickney. Kerry and Collins understand. Kerry and Collins. You understand? Because NEWLINK say what? Kerry and Collins from Grants Mountain. Come on. Don't do it. Don't be a... Hey. Come on. Alright, so I don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. I don't know, said people, if you have any story and you want to reach out to us and find it fit that we can broadcast out there, NEWLINK definitely. I don't know NEWLINK for the viewers and the subscribers. See, everybody, we are all one. NEWLINK now separating himself from nobody. I mean, a different from nobody. We all are one. Not because NEWLINK comes to boom and you know some of the top vlogger and them are the #1 and them are in different style and everybody try and say, boy, them try to come be like NEWLINK and them want to come around NEWLINK and them still can't be like NEWLINK because NEWLINK is totally different. You understand? So all who copy NEWLINK, trying to be NEWLINK, hear me I say, we don't have to go get that head and the brain cell to be like NEWLINK because look here, ideas just coming at me. NEWLINK not search your ideas, it's just the inspiration. Attack. You don't believe these people? You don't believe saying time me if you come to know and do a vlog. To be honest with you, no. NEWLINK just comes to boom in a one time and reading the people. And that's it, you know, everything in a saying. When people are telling me story one time and I ask them and I tell them to repeat nothing. Just get the main point, everything story and I say could have date, could have occupation, could have country, could have anywhere. Okay, peace out. Attack them. Remember people, stay safe, protect yourself and protect your family. And remember to do subscribe. When I do subscribe, hit that notification bell icon. So when I drop a video, you'll get them. Attack them on peace out and respect. Big up. Subscribe.